The most important thing which is required actually to be successful in network marketing industry, rather not network marketing industry, anywhere actually where you're leading a big amount of people, actually large team, is something which I'm going to talk about today, right? Okay, and that is nothing but to be efficiently grow the organization. It is very important the leader need to lead by example, actually, right? Lead by example means whatever you're expecting your people to do, first you have to do yourself. Whether it is about dreaming big or achieving big or hard work or being there on the ground for a longer time or learning, emptying the cup, changing yourself, everything actually, right? Everything, first the leader need to do himself, and then only people will do, because people don't do things when you tell them to do something. People only do things when they see you doing the same thing for a longer period of time. And not only it helps people to follow you in a better way because they are more submitted, they see what you're talking is what you are doing, but also it keeps you grounded. It keeps you, closer to the reality. You are not the motivational leader only, right? But you become an inspirational leader who's inspiring by leading, by doing things which you are expecting others to do. Okay, so lead by example is the most important thing actually. As a leader, if you really want to create a large organization and if you want that organization to keep growing. And now leading by example does not mean only when you are new you have to lead by example. No matter what level you are at, no matter what your title is, no matter what your rank is, okay, leading by example should become a character of a leader. It's not the event wherein sometime you're leading by example, sometime you're sitting back and just guiding people, right? Okay, and it is easy for people to follow if they see you are already on the ground, you're working hard, you're changing yourself, you're upgrading yourself, you're building new markets. Okay, so basically people can relate to you because you're still on the ground. Otherwise people start thinking after you grow and you achieve that, oh, your days were different, okay, that time was different, and you don't understand what we are facing because according to them you're not there on the ground. You're not doing what they are doing at this point of time. Maybe you've done that in past, but you're not doing now, right? So the most important thing, again I'm telling you, okay, if you really want to have a sustainable growing organization, you have to learn to lead by example, okay? And you can only lead by example if you love what you are doing actually, right? Otherwise if it is a work for you, you will never be able to lead by example for a longer period of time. You will do it for some time and then you will sit back and relax and become an iconic upline, okay? So guys, my mantra for success in our industry is leading by example. Always doing things first before you expect others to do it. Okay? Thank you very much. I love you.